Small boy, baby, tiny, tiny boy, does not know anything, does not even know ABCs, just knows be little and nap, so pure.
Tubbo, Tubbo, Tubbrother, Tubby, Tubboat, Tub. Oh. No. No, please, please, no, no, no. Ah! Tub. Tubho. Tubbald. Tubbox. Tubbox Part 2. Tublo.
Tubbo, how high can you float?
How high can I go?
Yeah.
To space.
If the crown fits, wear it.
I got it pretty like a hero, and he got 5 stories to tell. See both sides like Chanel. See both sides like Chanel. Swimming laps through cool water, eating like I'm underwater. Got my tattoos in Shibuya. Police think I'm out the underworld.
A million people decided to press the same button, so now I'm making a cake that can kill God. We're making a cake today. In case you guys haven't noticed by the large amounts of bowls, all we need is our 3 eggs. Now don't throw these or else there's a small chance 4 chickens might pop out of this. I need to stop playing Minecraft. We also have our bag of mix. You know, all you have to do is just add water and some other stuff and then you got a cake. Is this witchcraft? Probably. You know what? That's alright. As long as they help us make tastier cakes, I really do not mind having my soul taken. I do mind having my soul taken, actually. I prefer to keep my soul. And then, of course, we have our tools, like this, what is this called? Where are they? Who moved them? Who moved my children? Somebody moved my M&Ms, and now I'm going to start killing. The other people in my house tried to hide the M&Ms from me, but because I'm a little goblin, I found them. Because if you try to hide candy from me, I will find it. Pan! We have not 1, not 2, not 3. We have 3 cans of frosting. We also added this lovely, lovely little pog sign out of M&Ms. That says poo. You can't see the part of the G. It literally just looks like I wrote poo on a cake. I decided to order a 5-pound bag of gummy worms that we're going to be adding to this cake because, why not? Okay, so here's the finished cake. It's, terrible.
I'm so sad.
Move away from your microphone.
I'm so sorry.
It's okay. Oh, I can't see him cry. It makes me cry out of pity.
Yeah, it makes me cry.
Were you born before or after April 9th, 2004?
Before.
So you're younger than me?
No. That means that I'm older.
Oh Oh, why am I still the youngest?
I'm doing the puppy eyes at you.
Give him tea.
Wow, that works really. What was that? That was just
Rambo.
involuntary. My God.
Oh, Rambo,
He's
have you
good.
got any water bucket?
I do, yeah. Yeah, I do.